Good morning, people. So, how has the day been?
Good.
I believe that you have been enjoying your life a lot these days.
Oh,
How was
yes.
your weekend, Devi?
Good.
Great. Shruti, how was yours?
Bad.
Oh, I hope this weekend is better.
Yeah.
Today we will focus on communication skills, and I believe all of us are aware of what basic communication skills are. We have been talking about communication skills for a very long time. So, could you please tell me, what do you understand of communication? What is communication according to you?
Talking.
Priya? Talking? Okay. So, you talk to certain people and that's communication. Shruti?
Any kind of expression when it comes to ideas, thoughts, any kind of expression is communication for me.
Oh, okay. Any kind of communication in terms of expressing ideas or thoughts?
Expressing any kind of an expression is communication.
Prerna, what would communication be about?
Responding appropriately to someone.
Somebody has said something, I hear and I respond. Sunil, any additions to whatever?
Interaction between two people, exchange of ideas.
Exchange of ideas to people.
Similar.
Similar? Okay, great. So can we put it in a few words over here? We have got certain tips. We said that we have a sender. Now this sender could be sending certain ideas, could be sending certain, as she mentioned, expressing his or her ideas, thoughts. It goes across to the person who receives it. Receiver, and the person who receives it understands and responds. That's what we are talking about in a communication. Okay, great. So we are also looking at the loop being completed. Awesome. Now let's look at the agenda for the day. Now the first thing which we were supposed to talk about was defining communication. We have done it partially. We will look at the complete definition in a while. We have an activity which would help us understand communication in a better way. And finally, we will look at certain do's and don'ts. We said we send our ideas, somebody receives it and sends a feedback. Great. Now, I'll give you an example. Tell me if that's what you mean by communication. Let's take Sunil. Sunil, you have spent some time in Chandigarh, you said.
Yeah.
You must have heard about Rose Garden.
Correct.
Okay, for people who are not from Chandigarh, Rose Garden is a very famous place. You have roses, so with roses, what do you associate?
Love.
Love, beauty, great. So Sunil is walking down the road, sees a beautiful girl, plucks a rose, gives it to the girl, and the girl gives it back. Is that communication?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Any, that's also kind of an expression.
Absolutely. Ideas were expressed. Great. Now, was it an effective communication from Sunil's end?
No.
Why do you say it wasn't effective?
If it was effective, I think you should have got a rose back instead of a slap.
Okay, so he would have got some response which he was looking for.
A positive response.
Now, exactly. Now, in a business environment, we would be more focused on effective communication. When I say something, I'm looking for a response, and ideally, if I can get that response, it's great. Prerna, what do you say? That's what we mean by effective communication. Can we move to the next slide, please? So we have got three definitions over here, three parts of the same definition. If you look at it, it entails whatever we have said right now. The first one says transferring information from one to the other. The second one says interchange of thoughts, opinion, which Shruti had mentioned earlier. And finally, what all of us said that, yeah, Sunil was communicating, but unfortunately the communication wasn't effective because whatever the thoughts or feelings were there, the response was not what Sunil was looking for. Priya, are we
Yes,
on
sir.
the same page?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, what we'll